Hi, my name is Jubal,
Yeah, hi, I'm Sashant.
and I really enjoyed Joba's workshop
So this is my first time attending the workshop in SOUNDROOM, and
because it not only showed the technical aspects of DJing, but also gave us how the real life of a DJ is, and all the social aspects of it, and how we can connect, how we can network.
with Joba we had an amazing time. He explained a lot of things about DJing, and we all had a great time with socializing and getting to know a lot of other producers and DJs.
And how to actually build up the skills of being a DJ. And his life experiences were really enlightening.
So thank you. We had a great time.